Hi, welcome back to my channel. David Glass here. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm really disappointed with the amount of likes that I'm getting on my videos. I'm seeing a lot of people are watching them, but hardly anyone's hitting the like button. So if you like it, like it. Someone asked me about my workplace for the bicycle, and I thought to come out here to the patio and show it to you today in a very short video. And as you can see, this is where I work on my bike. It's the best place because I have this little bench here that's about knee high, and I can sit on a bucket, for example, and put the bike there, and I'm working on the bike, and I just moved the grill onto this table while I'm doing that. And this is the rest of the patio. So this is David Glass's bike workshop. I'm really lucky to have this. Wow, we got buses parked on the street here today outside. That's the mosque right there, across the street, and minaret, as you can see. And we got another noisemaker over here, which is the restaurant. This is the Abu Nasser Hanawi meat restaurant is right there, and they also do catering and weddings and stuff like that on the weekends, and make a lot of noise. Straight over there, this is my view to the Mediterranean. Yeah, you see, there's the sea there, and there's someone in the restaurant. And now my video is a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, in fact, so I'm gonna end it. And again, please hit like and subscribe. And this is where I work on my bike, because someone asked me about that, and like I said, I wanted to show it to you. We keep some tools in there. It's a good little patio for us. Yalla bye.